Okay. So we have seen this feature. We have created what scenario admin logs in and update the personal detail, right? So first thing is admin is on Orange HRM login page. So under this given, what we need to do is we need to create a method where it can log in. Okay, this is what we need to do, right? So we have created a login page, and in that login page also we have created the locators, and also we have created a method, but we have not used this method, right? So till now we have not used it. Where we will use it? So for that, what is where we will call this method? So initialization will be done in pages. Okay. So initialization of the locators and methods all will be done inside the pages. But where you will call it in step definition. Okay, where you will call it in step definition. So here we will create another class. Okay, under this we will create another class, and there where we have to call these methods. Fine. So what we will do is I'll create a new class over here. I'll give a name of this class, uh, my info steps. Okay, so this is the class name I'm giving. So this is basically where under step definition we will call this. Okay, so what we will do over here is similarly here also you need WebDriver object, WebDriver driver. Okay, so now what you have to do is you have to create object of the page for where you want to call the methods. First step is our login page, right? Login page, we have to call that method. So what you need to do is first write down the page name, login page. Okay. See, it says import that class. So first thing is you have to import. Shortcut is Alt Enter. When you do Alt Enter, it will import. See here, it imported that page. It is imported.
Okay.
Login page. You have to create a object of this one. So I'll create login page object. Okay. So I created login page object. See here, why it is the way we have created object. Do you remember that how we created object in our Java classes? So, oh dear, a new window. If I show you how we created, this is the way we created, right? This is the way we created. But here, why it is not required? Directly we created without creating the constructor here, not equal to new, then constructor we are not calling. Why? Because we have already done it in that page itself. We have created the constructor, right? We have
Yeah.
created the constructor and we are calling that object also over here through the this keyword. So no need to do the same steps again. Similar, directly we just need to create the object over here. Fine.
Okay.
Okay.
So it
So
will
then
run entire code, right?
it will run entire code. Similarly, other things, whatever page you are need to call, you just create a object for that. Dashboard page object. So like this, you will create the objects. After that, what it is, when you go to this feature file, right? Okay, so when you run, so always it will run from the feature file. Okay, so it
Mhm.
says nothing here because runner class is not defined over here. So that's why it says nothing here. Okay,
Mhm.
fine. So what we need to do is we have to, now if you see here, okay, it's in yellow color. Given this for this line, first for this line, we have to create call the methods. Given admin is on Orange HRM login page. So what you have to do, you have to go to the step definition. Then here you paste this one. Okay. I just pasted because of this line I want. Okay, how to write the step definition? At the rate. Okay, first you have to give at the rate. That is the annotation for given.
Mhm.
Okay, see here it is given is coming. Given, and inside that it by default it is taking that value. You have to give the value. What is the value? You have to give inside the quote. Okay, what is that? That is admin is the same you have to write. No need to
Mhm.
change. If you change it, it will not point to that feature. Okay.
Oh,
Admin
okay.
is is an orange HRM login page. Okay.
Mm.
So now this is how you have to write. Okay, after that, what you need to do, you have to create a method. Okay. Public void admin underscore on login page. Just for the understanding purpose, you can give the method name. So it's better for the understanding, because you are in the company, you are not only not using the code. Many people will use the code, right? So they should understand from by using seeing the method name only, they should know, okay, this method is for login. Admin is going to login. So
Mhm.
always give a understandable names. Okay. So public void, this method we need to create. Now for login, we have created one program already. So here what we did, first we need to set the property, right? We need
Yeah.
to Chrome driver object also we need to set. Then we have to do manage window. Then we
Yeah.
have to this one, call this one also, this page, right? Till
Yeah.
all these things we'll put it there. Okay. Because these
Mm.
all things required.
Yeah.
Copy this, I copied it, I put it here. Okay. So it set the property. It Chrome driver is also set, Chrome driver path, and call the Chrome driver, and the orange HRM URL it is called, and it is maximize the window. This
Mm.
all things it did. Okay.
Mm.
And this next come to the second one. Admin logs in with valid credentials. So this one we need. Admin logs in with valid credentials. When? So similarly, go to the step definition, and here at the rate, what is that? In when it is, right?
Yeah.
When within double quote, press paste this one. Admin login with valid credentials.
Mm.
Okay. Then create a method over there again. Public void. What it will do? Admin logs in. Okay. Admin logs in. Just say. This is the method I am creating over there. And here, what is the thing? We have the credentials, all the things we have already defined in this login page. After coming to that URL, the user need to click on this username and send keys, password, send keys, login button. So all are there in this method. Now I just need to call this method. Okay. I just need to call this method. How I will call this method here in my Java. See, if directly I will use it, it throws me error. What error it throws? Let's see what error it throws. Cannot resolve, add qualifier to this method or object to this method. Okay. So first is that here we have created object, right? Through this object, we need to call method. Directly you cannot call, right? Where you
Yeah.
can call directly? Tell me. We have already seen that. Direct method calling where we can do.
Within a class, right? I mean,
Hmm? That thing here we have done. Object, huh? This one. When you define a method as static, then you can call it directly, right? If the
okay.
method is not static, this method is not static, that's a throw object we are calling it, right?
Correct.
Yes.
Yeah.
So here we are not defining this method as static. So we need to call it through object itself. Okay. So here what we need to do is we need to call it through object. Find login page object dot backspace. Sorry. Dot. Okay. It calls. Done.
Yeah. Yeah.
Fine. Okay. Next, login page object as admin. So when it will run, so when I do fn, shortcut is to go directly to that method fn f12. Sorry, fn f12 is not working.
Double click.
No, 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 double click not. Okay. Uh, okay, let me see. Directly go to implementation, control alt B, huh? Changed. Declaration control B. Okay, control B is working here. Oh, sorry, F and F12 works in C sharp. Visual Studio it work. Okay, fine. When you use multiple ID, then you will forget everything. Okay, fine. Orange, we are into my info steps. Here you do control B. In IntelliJ, it works control B. Control plus B. It will go to that method. Okay. Okay, fine. Then we have defined this under. You got it right till here, how to call the method.
Yeah.
Okay. Next, this when is done in when only credentials is there. Then come to feature again. Then we have the next step. What is that? Add navigates to my info section. Okay, this one we need to add there and navigates to my info section. Go to your step definition that is under and tag, right? So for and tag also, when we write in the step definition, we will use when. We cannot use and, okay? So here we will use when only while
Okay.
calling.
Again.
Huh.
Okay.
So we'll use navigate to my info section. Okay. So then why it is throwing error? Because we need to follow it by a method name. Then it
Yeah.
will remove. So what you need to do, navigate my info, navigate my info. This is the method. Okay. This is the method we have to call. So inside that, what we need to do, my info page, it should navigate, right?
Yeah.
So where is our orange HRM? Sorry, this is the page, login page. Login. Okay. So after login, it comes to this dashboard, right? So dashboard page, it comes. And then we have to click on this My Info. That is our task. After coming to dashboard, we need to click on My Info. My Info page, we have a method.
Yeah.
We
The
click My Info is
dashboard.
not there, right? We have directly, we have this update personal details. We need to
No,
click.
no. Dashboard page is there.
Oh, okay, okay. There we
On.
have. There
Yeah.
we have this click my info. Fine. So we'll call this method from dashboard page. So go to the
Okay.
step definition. Here, dashboard object we have created.
Yeah.
Dashboard object we have created. Dot. See, directly it is coming. Whatever method is there under this page, it will show. Click my info is there. Okay, fine. Click my info is done. Next, again, this one is also done. Next, go to the another one. Update personal details and update personal details. Go to the step definition at the rate when. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Update personal details. So what you have to do over here? Oh, sorry. Public void. Okay. So here update personal details. This is the method. Okay. Then under this update personal details, what we need to do is we have to call this my info page, right? This is the from here we need to call this one update personal details one, right? So first that for that we need to create an object first. We have not created object yet. So once
Yeah.
the usage is done, then it will so one usage is done. Then it will pointing there. It is the usage is done here. Okay, what is the page name? My info page. My info page object. You can give anything, any name. It's just for the understandable purpose. I am giving this type of object name. Okay. So my info page. So this my info page object dot. What we need to call this? Update personal details. Okay. So it will update the personal details. We need to add all the things under this update personal details method. Okay. We have not added yet. Later we will do that. Then after that, what is our task? Then, right? Then
Mm.
personal details should be saved successfully. This one. Copy
Yeah.
it. Go to my info step. And for then you have to use then. Okay. Then This personal details, done. Public void, okay. Verify, will verify, no, because then is used for verify, right? Verify details saved. I will have this name, okay. So next, what you have to do, you have to put a SSN here to verify. We have
Mm.
till now we have not gone through SSN. I'll explain what is SSN. Okay. So I think you have verified it through if else till now, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So SSN we will discuss. Next, after verifying, we will quit it, right? Our
Yeah.
test case is done, then quit. That's it. Our step definition is created. This is the step definition. Okay. Under step definition, what you have to do, you have to create an object of each page. Then you have to define your feature scenario lines. Given when, then everything you have to define and call the methods inside that. Okay. For each feature, you have to create step definition. Okay. This step definition is related to this feature. Okay.
Okay. Mm.
So for each feature, you have to create a step definition and call it. Fine. So next, once the step definition is done, we need a runner to run our test case. Okay. To run
Yeah.
this method, call this method, and all, we need a runner. So runner will be inside this runners folder. You will create one class here. Let us say I'm creating the class name test runner. Okay. This is the class name I'm creating. This one will run your program. Okay.
Okay.
So
Mm.
here we need to add some annotations over here to run our program. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
First thing is we have to call this Cucumber class. What program we are using? We are using BDD framework. BDD framework is from Cucumber class. Okay. So we need to use annotation runs with. Okay. Sorry, run type. Run with, why run with not coming? Run with cucumber dot class is not there. We need to import it. Yeah.
I think, yeah, we haven't had it.
Class path. Okay. Oh, do I have a meeting today? Web dependency is not added for cucumber.
No, I don't think so. In POM, can you check once?
I will check once it is searching. Search for artifact guys, form.xml. We have added, no? We have added cucumber dependency also. We have added. Okay, we'll see that why it is throwing the error later. We should have that. What are the field? We have added Selenium. We have added cucumber, Java, cucumber, testng, and JUnit. All are added. Okay, fine. Then come to test runner. It says add Maven dependency again. Okay, it is saying it again. Mhm. Let's see. Okay,
So
we'll
what?
see that which options it is coming or not, all the options. Then we have one more annotations we need to add, that is the cucumber option. This one is coming. This is from test engine it is taking, but that one it is not taking. Fine, no issue. We'll add that one. Okay, cucumber option. This is another annotations we need to add. Okay, so inside that we need to write few codes. We need to give the paths for everything, like the path for feature. First, we need to give the path for the features. Okay, so features, wherever your feature path is there. This one, right? Right click. Okay, right click and path. Okay. Copy path reference. Okay. Copy path reference, and you have to give the path of from content root. Okay. That is from the starting of the folder. That is src test java, and then feature. Under that, you have this, right? So
Yeah.
copy this and put it in double quote over here.
Mm.
Okay. So my info feature. Okay. My info feature that is done. Then comma, then what you have to give? You have to give step definition file also. For that we use glue. Glue keyword is used to give the step definition file. So that will define inside a block. Okay, inside a block you will give step definition. Directly you just give this one, this folder name. It will take that step definition. No need to give the complete one. Okay, step
Yeah.
definitions. Okay, so this is done, comma. Yeah. Then we have to close it. Next, close it. Okay, this is done. Then comma, why put comma? No need to put comma. This is done. Okay. Then we will have a class, public class. Okay, test runner. Public class test runner will be okay. It's why we are calling it again. It's fine over here. No. Why it is not taking, because we are calling it inside the class. Now it will not throw error. But the Maven dependency we need to add for create class cucumber. No need to create class again. I don't need to create a class. So take cucumber. Cucumber options, cucumber okay, properties provider. No. Cucumber dot class. Hmm. Add Maven dependency. Okay, I've added the Maven dependency. Why it is asking again? Okay, let it be load for some time. Let's see what it is doing. So, yeah, okay. Cucumber Java. Cucumber. Let's add the dependency again, or else. So for dependency, where we will go? Maven dependency, right?
Yeah.
Dependency, Maven
Maybe it is
repository.
outdated.
There. Cucumber Java is done. Cucumber testng is done. Cucumber JUnit. Let me add it also. And maybe it will not throw. Cucumber JUnit. Sorry. Back. Cucumber JVT JUnit 4 is there. So Cucumber JVM JUnit. This one, the latest one, May 19, 2025. Okay. Okay, let's add this one also and see that error is going or not. After dependency end, you will add this one, save it, refresh it.
So earlier one was JUnit only, right?
That is only J. Let's
But
see.
before that, Cucumber was there before earlier one.
See that it gone. It is
Ah,
a Cucumber JUnit one we have not downloaded. So dependency not added. Okay. So now it is done. Okay. Now we have to run it. That's it. Okay. Our program is done, our step definition is given. So here, when you see here, it comes run test runner. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
what you need to do is you just need to click here, run test runner, executing project, initialize, test runner started. Okay, it says something. Warning. It is going to use the separate runner class. Proceed with the class. Okay. Um, program is not. From here, there is new, where is field run is set or not. I'll just check it. Mm. Okay. Oh, we have some more things we need to set up on form.xml file that we need to check. Okay, we have added the properties, is there, dependencies there, build is not created. Huh? Okay, build is not added over here. Maybe that's the reason. So Maven, when you have a Maven project, right? The Maven project will have a build. Without that, it will not build the project itself. Okay, inside the build, we'll have these plugins. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
plugins will add. Inside the plugins, we'll have one more plugin. Okay, so inside the plugin, we need to add this Maven Surefire plugin. Okay, I'll get it from here. Uh, Maven Surefire, get it? Yes, Maven Surefire plugin. Okay, so we'll take some November 2. Let's take this one. It should be from Apache. Yes, it is from Apache. Copy this one and paste it here inside this. Okay. So it will be not dependency. It's a plugin. So we don't need the dependency over here. Okay. Then refresh plugin ends. Oh, plugin ends, plugins build is end, then project. Okay, that is done. Let's see our, after that, we have set the property set is correct or not. That is another thing that if it is not, then it will not run. Okay, this is that where it is there. Okay, the same one we have copied it. Okay, so no need to. Next, come to the test runner itself and try to run it again. Let's see, it's running it not. If not, we'll run it from the Maven. Okay, it says some with warning. Warning. It's not starting only. Okay, here it's Maven is only not starting. Okay, we'll do one thing. Maven clean. First, we'll clean the project. This thing you can do it from here, or else you can do it from terminal itself. Okay, this is, where is the terminal? Here is the terminal. Okay, so under terminal, okay, so this is your God. You have to write the command mvn clean test. It will clean your project. The complete project it will clean.
Okay.
Okay, see, it is saying mbn, the term mbn is not requires the name. Okay, so Maven is also having some issue. It's not showing over here. Ambient command only, it is not taking. Wait, what we need to do for this is, framework. This is our project, no? This is our project. Okay, the Maven is motions. Maven is not recognizing, it is saying, okay, it says then we have to install this. No, we have not installed Maven. We have to, the project we have created from Maven only, right? So why
Yeah.
it is showing like this? Okay, we need to, what is say, the term Maven is not recognized as the name of CM-related function script file. Check the spelling. If the path is included, verify that the path is correct and this one. Okay, no issue. We'll fix this one. First thing is we'll go to the okay, we'll download Apache Maven. It's one externally what we are doing now. Through Maven, we have done it from project, but it is not recognizing. So externally, we'll do this thing now. Okay. So here, download. Okay. What the files? Binary zip archive Maven for Windows. Okay. Apache Maven. This one, let us say binary zip.js zip file we need to install. We'll install this. Okay, done. I'll extract this all. Extract to extract. Okay. Okay, now it is extract here, right? Then we need to, the way we have set the Java variable externally, we'll set this also under environment variable. Environment variable. Open your environment variable. Environment variable and under system variables. No, we have to set the path. Okay. So here what we will do is we have this Java home, right? Similarly, we have to create a new and give a Maven home also. This is like if that is not installing from the project creation, what you can do is you can do like this. And externally, you are doing it. Variable value, you have to take it from here. Okay. So that is this one. Inside that we have a bin folder. Okay, till bin folder, we have to take it. Okay. This is the path. We need to edit in that variables. Okay, and this, click OK, click OK. Okay, next, oh, sorry, click OK. Next, we'll open the CMD. Okay. cd.dot. Next, we'll check that with this command. Still, it is saying MVN is not recognized. Huh? Oh. Okay, where we have given.
So we have added that one right through in the IntelliJ only.
Okay, what I will do is I will take it to C folder. Right? Spacing C folder, program files, and then program files. State here. You need permission. Continue. Here it is. Apache Maven. Okay. Bin folder. This is the path. Okay. I'll change the path again. Let's see this works not. Edit system variables, environment variables, Maven home, edit, change the path. Okay, okay, okay. Save. Press exit. Again, go to the command prompt. Now cd dot mbn. This time hope should it is not showing. Hmm. Why it is not showing up? I'll close everything and restart. That's the another issue. Sometimes it
Yeah.
happens. I'll stop recording and start again once it is done.